Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Nussbaum, and I'd like to tell you about a unique aspect of Insight LifeCare, our hybrid boutique concierge medical practice meant for adults who want a different level of care, and indeed, obtain it when they come through our special practice. One of the things that we do a little bit differently is include special testing in a history and physical. We advocate very strongly for you to have tests that matter. When you're going to have a test, the result should make a difference in what happens next. It should be used to either take care of an existing problem, or prevent problems from worsening, or diagnose problems that we didn't know for sure were present and get you safe in advance of a problem really occurring. We want to try and find these things out about your healthcare before there's an issue. We want to get out in front of any issue that you might have, and we want to do everything we can to provide for you the best life. To this end, I recommend very strongly that my patients of a certain age or with a certain history have a CTA of the heart, a CAT scan angiogram done specially modified in such a way as to be timed with your cardiac cycle that allows us to get several pieces of information all at once. The primary role is to take a look at the coronary circulation, the arteries of your heart, to make sure there are no significant blockages, to predict where blockages may get larger in the future, and to get a very good direct idea of how well the blood is flowing in that region. Secondly, when done correctly, we can get lots of information about your lungs, your aorta, the other structures that are within the chest that we would not necessarily see or learn about on a plain chest x-ray. And third, we get a lot of dynamic predictive information about what may happen next. We are able to see very, very closely into the structures of all of the trunk of the body. The net of all of that is for a very special test to be done like this, we need the right technology, we need people that can interpret it correctly, and we need an appropriate setting to have it done. Insight LifeCare has negotiated with the very best people in the Tampa Bay area to do a top-notch job at an affordable cash price that allows you quickly and conveniently to get the test done, get a prompt result, and know which way you're going. If there's a family history of chest pain or an abnormality that we might suspect, if you're in a high-risk zone, that is to say if you stratify as somebody who we should be worried about, if there are risk factors like high cholesterol or strong family history, these are all reasons to have such a CAT scan done, or a CTA as we call it, in order to predictively and safely get information before the problem happens. That's kind of what we're all about here at Insight LifeCare. Let's take care of you. Let's make sure you have the very best life. And let's make sure that we do the appropriate modern diagnostic tests that get us from A to B in the fastest way. Wasting your time on a chest x-ray might not be the best solution, although that's typically included in a so-called history and physical. We'd much rather take a hop, skip, and a jump past all that thinking and get to where the action is and where the information is most useful. Insight LifeCare. Your best life, we hope. Real solutions and expert assistance. Thanks.